Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. My name is Manu, and today I am going to teach you how to route GGD OKW in Reaper. So let's start and head over to my favorite DAW, which is Reaper. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is load the Kontakt plugin or add a new track right here. I am comfortable having a mixer in my screen so I can see everything from here to here. Okay, so the next one that you need to do is load the Kontakt plugin. There you go, the Kontakt plugin. So it's up to you if you're going to use the 8 or the 7 by, but for now, since I think the latest one as of creating this video is already in 8, I will use 8. Okay, so let's add it. Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is search for the GGD OKW Metal. There you go. Here. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is open up your GGD OKW Metal. Now I am going to switch to classic view, and also I need to load the outputs. There you go. All right, so the first thing that you need to do, well, in my way, I always copy what's inside the mixer. What I mean by that is I go scroll down below, and then copy all of this to this. So now I'm going to copy all of that. So I will have the same outputs from this plugin to the output of the Kontakt. I'm gonna shortcut the name of the toms. Instead of having toms, I'm gonna use T instead. All right, room. Okay, so now it's done. We don't need the rest of the track, so I am going to delete that. Say bye-bye to that, and also bye-bye to this. Okay, so now I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 channels, and then down below is I am expecting to have 8 channels as well. I'm gonna remove the side bin and just view the GGD OKW Metal. All right, so now what I'm gonna do next is and then reload the whole thing. The reason why I did that is because Kontakt did not load all the changes that I have here. So just to make sure that all my updates reflects here, a safe way to do that is to restart the Reaper. But anyway, some of the people on the internet just press the button right here, but for me it's the restart does the trick. Next one is I am going to assign all the output of these channels to these channels. And the way to do that is select all the output of this that matches the name of these channels right here. There you go. So I should have a kick selected for a kick, snare for the snare, tom 1 for the tom 2 for the tom 2, and tom 3 and 4 for tom 3 and 4, and then overhead and room. Okay, so next I am going to see if I have already routed the signal correctly. So what I need to do now is close this one and then see if the kick channel works well. Yes, snare. Toms. Yep, I am going to add an L2 limiter because I need to hear it louder. And let's see. Yep, it's working well, I believe. Now The next thing that you need to do is add 8 channels. Let's call this one kick. By the way, the 8 channels that you are going to create should be the same as what you have in the outputs right here. So I'm gonna name this with the snare T1, and then T2, T3, whoopsie, T4, and T5. There you go. And then I'm gonna call this one maybe GGD OKW Metal. There you go. No, not T5 Manu. It's overhead. And another channel that we need to do is rooms. I like with the S. Actually, let's remove the S. All right. So the next thing that we need to do is pass over the signal that's coming out from Kontakt to each of this channel. The way to do that is this. You have you can click here, or you can click here. So, and then a routing model window will pop up to you, and all you need to do is just click add new send. I'm gonna send a kick to kick channel 1 2, because in Kontakt it's channel 1 2. Next one, I'm going to send. Oh, by the way, just uncheck the master send channel from and to, and also track channels, maybe stretch up to 30. It's safe for you to be able to send 8 channels. You can put 16 or 8. I just like having a lot of numbers and not worrying about having less numbers when it comes to track channels. Okay, so going back to what I am saying, let's send a snare to channel 3 and 4 as defined here. There you go, stereo source 3 and 4. Okay, another one is to send a tom 1 on channel 5 and 6. That's defined here. Okay, 5 and 6. And another one is to send tom 2 channel. There you go. 2 stereo source. What's the number? tom 2, it's 7 and 8. So let's click this one. 7 and 8. Should be stereo. There you go. And then another one is send tom 3. And the channel of tom 3 is, I believe it's 9 and 10. Okay. 9 and 10. There you go. Then tom 4 is 11 12. Stereo source 11 12. There you go. And then another one is overhead and lastly room. And the overhead is, I believe it's 13 14 and 15 16 for the room. Here it is. Stereo source 13 14. Am I right? Yes, sir. Then 15 16 lastly for the rooms. Whoopsie. Okay, 15 16. Now that you have done that, I like coloring my drums with green. It's optional and it's up to you if you want to do this. But if you see in most of my tutorials, I always color my drums green. Why? It's easier for me to understand that these tracks are drums. You can choose the color that you want, but for me, green is looking good with the drums. And my idol is Green Ranger when I was a kid. I'm just continuing my childhood. Yeah. Anyway, going back, let's see if all the changes that we have are working. So now, if we click the kick, we should be able to see a signal in kick and also a signal here. Let's see. As expected. Right, there is also a signal that you are seeing from the overridden room because it's expected to have an augmentation of bleed. There we go. And the snare. And the toms. By the way, for the toms, it's already panned, but if you like to pan it, you can do that. But I think GGD already panned the toms, so you don't have to worry about that. The next one, let's go to tom 2. And then floor tom. Nicely. And then let's go to tom 4. Nicely. And then next one, let's test all the cymbals if it's working. All right, so that's how easy it is to route GGD OKW Metal in Reaper. I think you can do the same with other DAW. I'm not sure how to do that in Cubase or Pro Tools, but the concept I believe is the same. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful for your next mixing journey. If you like this video, please do thumbs up. A quick favor for me, just to be able for my videos to rank up, and then so other people can see it. And also please subscribe to my channel so whenever I put out mixing contents, you'll be updated. And also comment down below if you have questions. I will try my best to answer your questions, guys. I'm quite a busy guy, but rest assured that I am reading your comments, and if I find time to answer a question, I will answer that. Also, click bell notification icon will help you get notified whenever I have uploads. All right, thank you for watching again, guys. This is your boy Manu, and see you on the next video. Let's go.
Okay, let it be known, I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you understand G.O.D. Maybe this